The Pontiac Torrent from 2006 to 2009 uses an LHJ011 key fob with a CR2032 battery. This video guides you through replacing it yourself, saving time and money. A weak or dead battery can cause signal issues, so let's get it fixed. Locate the small slot on the side of your key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or key fob opener into the slot. Gently pry the fob open, being careful not to damage the internal circuit board. Work slowly to avoid breakage. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's polarity with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery by gently prying it out. If there's corrosion on the contacts, gently clean them with a cotton swab. The CR2032 battery has a positive terminal on top and negative on the bottom. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus symbol, is facing up. The battery should fit snugly into place. Double-check the polarity to ensure proper function. The positive terminal should be visible and facing upward in the compartment. Now carefully snap the key fob case back together. Make sure all edges align properly. The case must be securely closed to protect against moisture and dust. After closing the key fob, test its functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The car should respond by locking or unlocking accordingly. Press the lock button first. Then press the unlock button to verify both functions work. If the key fob doesn't respond, carefully reopen it and double-check that the battery is inserted with correct polarity and that all connections are secure. Static electricity can damage the key fob's sensitive electronics, so always ground yourself before handling it to discharge any built-up static charge. If the key fob still doesn't work properly after replacing the battery, it may need to be reprogrammed to sync with your vehicle's system. Consult your owner's manual for the specific reprogramming procedure for your 2006 Pontiac Torrent. To prevent problems, perform regular battery checks every 12 to 18 months. This helps avoid corrosion on the battery contacts and prevents more expensive issues with the vehicle's engine control unit or ECU. Following these tips will help ensure your Pontiac Torrent key fob remains reliable and functional for years to come.